Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to track content production in Monday.com, your complete guide for 2025. First up, we need to create a project board. Head over to the left sidebar, click on Add, and then Board. Name your board something relevant like content production. This is our first step because a dedicated project board helps us organize and track our content production effectively in one single place. Now that we've done that, let's add some columns. Click on Add Column, then select Text, Date, Status, Person, and Timeline. Each column represents a key aspect of your content production. The reason we do this is to keep track of the title, due date, status, person responsible, and production timeline for each piece of content. Next, you'll want to add items to your board. Click Add Item and start filling in your content details. This helps us because it allows us to manage individual pieces of content as separate items, making it easier to monitor their progress and assign responsibilities. After we've added some items, it's time to set up automations. Click on Automations on the top right corner, then Add Automation. Choose something like When Date Arrives, change status to something. Let me explain why this matters. Automations can help you automate routine tasks, such as changing the status of an item when a deadline is reached, freeing up your time for more critical tasks. Finally, it's important to keep track of your overall progress. Click on Dashboards on the left sidebar, then Add Widget and choose Battery. This widget shows the overall progress of your board, giving you a quick glance at how your content production is doing. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The battery widget calculates the status of all your items, giving you a clear picture of your content production progress. And that's it. That's how you track content production in Monday.com. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized, automate where possible, and always keep an eye on your overall progress. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.